Hello everyone, welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth product reviews and recommendations. Today, we've got something special for you. We're going to talk about the Honeywell TH4110U2005 UT4 Pro Programmable Thermostat, and why it's considered one of the best programmable thermostats on the market. Stick around, because we've got all the details you need. Let's dive right into it. The Honeywell is a programmable thermostat that offers incredible features to make your home more comfortable and energy efficient. It's a part of the T-Series by Honeywell, known for its quality and reliability. First, let's talk about the design. This thermostat comes in an elegant white finish that will blend seamlessly with your home decor. Its compact dimensions of 1.13D x 4.06W x 4.06H make it a space-saving choice for any room. Now, let's get into the features that set this thermostat apart from the competition. The Honeywell T4 Pro provides precise temperature control, ensuring your home stays at the perfect temperature year-round. It supports both heating and cooling systems, making it versatile for any climate. Installation is a breeze. The thermostat comes with a universal wiring panel that simplifies the connection process. Plus, it's compatible with a wide range of HVAC systems, and the wiring connections are push-in type for added convenience. As the name suggests, it's programmable. You can set up to 4 temperature settings per day, allowing you to customize your home's temperature based on your schedule. This feature helps save energy and lower your utility bills. This thermostat is all about energy efficiency. It allows you to program the fan and set automatic changeovers, ensuring your HVAC system runs efficiently. The blue backlit display is not only easy to read but also adds a modern touch to your home. You can configure the backlight to be on all the time or only when you're actively using the thermostat. By programming your thermostat to adjust the temperature when you're not at home, you can save on energy costs. The flexibility to program your thermostat to your specific needs ensures maximum comfort. It's compatible with various HVAC systems, making it a great choice for most households. Now, let's take a look at what customers are saying about this thermostat. In conclusion, the Honeywell T4 Pro Programmable Thermostat is a top-notch choice if you want to upgrade your home's climate control. With its easy installation, energy-saving features, and sleek design, it's no wonder it's a popular choice among homeowners. If you're interested in making your home more comfortable and energy efficient, be sure to check out the Honeywell T4 Pro on Amazon. We've provided a link in the description below for your convenience. And that's a wrap for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more insightful product reviews. If you have any questions or want to share your experiences with this thermostat, please leave a comment below. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next review.